Okay, so my grandson is in my recording spot, so I am going to show the stencils. Now this is the pouch that came with it, and yeah, there's 36 sheets, so I will show you the stencils so you can see how each of them look. Sorry, I am opening this back up so when I'm done I can just stick them in there. So that's that one. And then you got, so basically all the inserts that you can buy are on these. And I'm using, of course, my favorite colors so you can actually see them. This one is a meal planner. So I'm actually glad that I got the sketch pad happy planner because I can do my own thing with it. I didn't want to make this a long video, but I did want to show you each of the stencils. And then I can put a link in the video. I'll put a link in the description box. What I mean by video, I meant description box. But there's another one. I found a cheaper one because I paid, I think it was like $16 for this one, but I found one almost similar. It has less things though. That has I just put that one in the description box too because that one was like $13. So yeah, if you wanted to do like the monthly planner, both of those together. But that's not what I use to do mine because I think that these would be smaller. I am going to try this because so far I only got to May. I didn't do the cover of it yet. But yeah, these are the months and everything that goes within that month. So say you have, you can switch these around too. So if you want to use this for December, yeah. You can use these for Halloween. There's December. And I like this little wreath. And you notice when you seen mine in my happy planner, I didn't use happy, I just used the month. But yeah, they're all different. Let me put these in here. Yeah, my grandson is in there with my little cousin playing Roblox, so. And actually, you can use the book and the pencil for the month of August for when the kids go back to school. Hope you can see that while I'm trying to put this in there. But yeah, I like these. There. And these are durable plastic. So whatever you do, I think, am I coming up to? No, I'm not coming up to them yet. When I come up to the ones that I've been using, you'll be able to see there's another meal planner. So I guess you can do one for one side. Yep, because there's the hole, and then the other one for the other side. Or do it, let me see. Let me go back. It was after or before that. There we go. So yeah, you can do them like this. It would be like a calendar view. And then I guess you can put little notes on this side because this ain't enough for recipes. Unless you put the ingredients up here and the directions down here and use these little boxes for the names. But yeah. So, and then there's those. And then this one is, oops, I moved that one out the way. Remember, I used this one, but I'm going to redo it. Not right now, but I am going to eventually redo mine, and you can tell that I used it. Because these letters were black, and all I did was I just wipe it off. But yeah, I think I'm going to redo my books on there because I didn't use this or that or the flower in mine. So I think what I'll do is I'll go back and I'm only going to add the flower. I'm not sure. I think this is like a globe, but I don't want to use that. I want to use a smaller book, so I'll probably turn it and put that little book up there and also up here, because why would this be on a bookshelf? But yeah, do that. And then I had messed up on this bottom line on mine, so I made that line bigger. And these, so I'm getting close to the ones I use most often. I'm gonna move those out the way so I can finish showing you these. And I use this one for the emergency fund, so you can see where the B was, and I added mines up there, and then they had these, but these were too small for me to write in, so that's why I used these for my emergency fund tracker. But here's some other ones. Yeah, they getting loud. And here is the alphabet. Sorry, my months are out of order because I did some, but then I decided to wait, and then I started working on the calendars, trying to figure out how I was going to do my calendars. Because the measurements, the ones that, the part of the calendar that did not have any holes in it, I use regular sketch paper that I have from the sketch pad. I use those and try to do the measurements of the regular Happy Planner paper. But then remember, my Happy Planner was a sketchbook, so I used the sketch paper that already had the holes in it. Here is an exercise tracker. I haven't figured out how we supposed to use this. Yeah, I'm not sure how you're supposed to use the exercise tracker. But the way I'm going to use this, of course, I may use that, but I may put steps instead and just turn it sideways and write my steps for that day in here. Yeah, I may do mine that way. That's what I was thinking. And then you have a mood tracker, water intake, and your sleep tracker. And these are the ones I use most often. I've been using these letters, and all you have to do is just wipe them off. And then this one, well, this one in particular, these two, I've been using for my monthly boxes for the month. Yeah, it takes a lot of work. Let's just say that, because depending on how you setting it up, as you measure straight across, but you know you got to account for the holes that will be on this side, or if from this side, depending on what days. So yeah, but yep, that is all of my stencils. So I will post the link to both stencils in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.